Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today. We just unwrapped 2021 Harris 250 Cruiser. So this 250 Cruiser is a beauty. We did get the nice docking lights. These are LED docking lights. This is a tri-tune, so you do have the 3 tubes. We did the nice dark blue with a nice silver accent. So this is, again, the 250 Cruiser. Let's go on the inside and take a look. All right, welcome to the interior. This one is called the SL layout, which is called single lounger. So we've got nice big seats in the back here. This is a nice backrest that can be moved back and forth. There is a cooler underneath that seat and storage underneath this seat. We did opt this with the Mercury 200. So this has got digital throttle, the 200 horse, plenty of power for this 25-foot boat. Come on in. The 25-foot boat offers you a ton of storage. Pretty much under every seat, you got storage here, I got storage here. I've got cup holders underneath here, and this year they added a couple USB ports on each one of these. So you know how you bring a lot of phones, a lot of gadgets on board? There's a garbage underneath here. And then as we come over to the helm, this is a new improved helm for the cruiser models. We've got the wireless charger, which is a cool option. We got the Fusion stereo package in this boat. We also added the Lowrance, so it's going to give you your depths. It does have GPS, and it does have a fish finder included as well. So great chairs as well. The Helm chair. This chair goes forward and backward. It actually goes up and down, and then it has a reclining, and the armrests go up and down as well. Again, 25 feet gives you a ton of room, ton of space. Cup holders on both sides. Storage under every one of these seats, and they're all on hinges. You just pop them open, put them back down. We got the beautiful colors in here. This boat here is in MarineMax of Rogers. So come on down, take a look, and as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.